Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, December 10th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So we had FOMC this evening, and they did end up cutting rates 25 basis points, caused the euro to go up actually pretty strong. Now, this is kind of an important area, like I've been saying for the last week or so, because if the daily time frame holds above this structure, this orange line or this red line that I have right here, then this is a complete ABC pattern, and this is back into the uptrend on the very high time frames like the weekly and the monthly. If the daily rejects this structure, and by the end of the day it closes down here someplace, then it possibly still could be an ABC correction within a downtrend. So hopefully today we're going to know one way or the other whether we're going to be looking for longer term or whether this is an ABC and it's going down. If we go down to the 1 hour time frame, this is the level that I've been watching. If it pulls way back today and closes below structure by the end of the day, like I said, I probably would start looking for shorts throughout the next several days. On the other hand, if it doesn't pull back, closes above this daily structure, it possibly could go down a little bit and might end up giving us more long opportunities within the next few days. So definitely an important area to keep an eye on price to help determine whether this is the end of a pullback in the higher time phase or whether it's actually the continuation of the uptrend on the weekly time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.